Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Google Drive and share the link. So first of all, head over to Google Drive. To do that, go to the googledrive.com/drive and make sure you are signed into your account. Then go ahead and click on Google Drive. It will take you here. Now what you can do is you can upload your file in a couple of different ways. You can either go to new and then file upload, or alternatively you can open the file in your file explorer. So I'm going to upload this file and you can then simply just drag it on. Whatever way you choose, it's going to open up the file explorer. So just find your file in the downloads or any folder and select it. That will then upload that file in the bottom right hand corner. So just wait for that to upload. Once it's uploaded, you can just share it. So to share it, you want to find your video or photo or file, then right click on it and then go to share and then click on share. Now this is important because you need to make sure that everyone that has the link can access it. So right now it's restricted and people will have to request to open the video file. If you change this to anyone with a link, you can then copy this link and now anyone you send this link will be able to download this file. It's also important to know anyone with a link can only view and download it. If you change to editor, they can also delete it and add more files. But anyway, once you've got the link, copy the link. You can then send it to anyone and they will be taken to this page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.